In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Yamaha soundbar in case you're having issues with it. I'll show you a few different things you can try. So step number one, the easiest thing you can try, honestly, is to simply disconnect it from the power source. And if you have a subwoofer that is connected with it, go ahead and do the same thing. So on the back, unplug it and wait around 2 minutes. Usually this will remove all the remaining energy from it, and fortunately after doing this and connecting it back, everything will work as it should. Maybe it was just a software glitch and this small reboot will solve it. If you're still having problems, well, I suggest doing a factory reset. It will delete all your connected devices from the soundbar, but most of the time this will mean that your soundbar will be like a new one, so the problem will be gone. Before doing a factory reset, I always suggest you disconnect every single cable that you have connected to it, apart obviously the power cable. Okay, disconnect them all, and let me show you over here. So step number one is to turn off the soundbar. Okay, it was turned off already. Let me turn it off again. And now with the soundbar turned off, you're gonna keep press the volume up button, this one, and the power button, both at the same time, until you're gonna see all these lights flashing a few times. Once it stops flashing, then you can release. Let me demonstrate. I'm holding both of these and I'm waiting. Okay, it starts flashing. It stopped flashing and I can release the buttons, and now the soundbar is factory reset, and fortunately it can also fix your issue. If the problem was that the soundbar is not connecting to a Yamaha subwoofer, let me show you how to pair both of these manually. Step number one is to turn off the soundbar. So I'll go ahead and press the power off button. Then take the remote control and you're gonna locate the subwoofer volume down button, this one over here. We need to point the remote to the soundbar and keep this button pressed 5 seconds to put the soundbar into pairing mode. You'll be able to release the button when you see the optical light being turned on. So let me do it. I'm pressing it 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can release it once I see the optical light over there flashing. Maybe it's less than 5 seconds. Now you have around 30 seconds to go on the back of the sub and press the pairing button over here. Keep it pressed 5 seconds. 5. Okay, release. And the sub will pair with your soundbar. If you're not fast enough, it will not work. So make sure that you have access to the sub and start again in case it didn't work. So turn it off, put it in pairing mode. Fast after you see the optical light turned on, press the pairing button 5 seconds and it should connect together. If this didn't work, I always suggest you simply unplug these. So on the back, pull the electrical power cable on both of these, wait at least 2 minutes and plug them back. Sometimes it's a software issue and this could fix many things. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment if my video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.